Today I'm going to tell you how you can install Office 365 in online as well as offline platforms for free. Yes, it is completely free for you guys. So without wasting any time, let us start. If you want to install Office in the web version, it is very simple. First, open your browser and type office.com. Now, sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have a Microsoft account, don't worry, you can easily create one. After creating the Microsoft account, log into office.com. As you can see in the left right side of the pane, you can see Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive, OneNote, Teams and Sway, etc. So all these apps are completely free for you guys. You can install Word and type anything in there and it's completely for free. So that is how you install Office in the web version. Now I'm going to tell you how you can install Office in the offline platform. First, again, go to office.com and as you can see the install Office symbol here, just click there and click on install Office. You can choose any language like Spanish, French or any other language you are comfortable with and install. If you are not able to install Office in the offline version, don't even worry. Click the first link in the description below and install the office.exe drive Google link file. I know it may warn you that some kind of virus and malware would be there, but there's nothing like that. It's completely safe. Open the executable file and Office will keep on processing. So please wait. Now the installation has completed successfully. Now click on the close button. As you can see, you can open the start menu and you have all the apps here. You have Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, Outlook, Skype for Business, etc. So that is how you can use Office offline. It is very simple, right? Now make sure you subscribe to the channel here. Watch the unboxing of AirPods 43 here and another video here, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.